In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Life 360 circle name. First, open the Life 360 app on your device. You will see the app's main interface featuring your current location and the circles you are part of. This is the starting point for managing your circles and their settings. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed for the best experience. It is important to have the app open as this allows you to access all the settings needed to make changes. If you are not logged in, please enter your credentials to access your account. Next, tap on the settings icon, which looks like a gear. This icon is usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap it, a new menu will appear with various options related to your account and circles. This step is crucial because it takes you to the settings where you can manage your preferences and circle details. Remember, navigating through settings can feel overwhelming, but you are making progress toward changing your circle name. From there, tap on Circle Management. This section allows you to manage all aspects of your circles, including adding or removing members and changing names. It's important to note that only admins can make changes to circle settings, so ensure you have the necessary permissions. When you tap on Circle Management, you will see a list of all circles you belong to. This gives you a clear view of your circles and their current names. Now tap on Edit Circle Name. You will see this option near the name of the circle you wish to change. This step allows you to modify the circle's name, which can reflect your family's or friends' shared interests or priorities. A clear and relevant circle name helps members identify the group easily. If you do not see this option, it means you may not have admin privileges, and you should contact the current admin for assistance. After that, enter the new circle name in the provided field. Be creative and choose a name that resonates with the group. This is your chance to personalize the circle, making it more meaningful for everyone involved. Keep in mind that a distinctive name can enhance group cohesion as it fosters a sense of belonging. If you make a mistake while typing, you can easily correct it before saving. Finally, tap Save to confirm your changes. This action will update the circle name across all devices connected to the group. It is essential to save your changes as it ensures the new name is reflected immediately. Once you tap Save, you will likely see a confirmation message indicating that the change was successful. This reassurance confirms that your efforts were effective, and everyone in the circle will now see the updated name. Note that only a circle admin can change the circle name. If you do not see Edit Circle Name, ask the current admin to rename it or grant you admin privileges. This step is important to remember as it helps maintain the integrity of group management. Now that you know how to change the Life 360 circle name, you can easily personalize your circles. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.